Hey guys, I have an Hermes unboxing for you today. It's just some makeup and a small leather good, but I also wanted to take this opportunity to share with you a few tips on how to score items off of the Hermes website, including handbags. Welcome. If you're new here, this is Lula LV and I'm an avid luxury lover. However, I do also like to make smart decisions with how I spend my money. That's why on this channel, I'm all about helping you make smarter shopping decisions by sharing advice you can actually use based on my experiences as a luxury consumer. Today, I have a small Hermes unboxing. I bought a couple of makeup items as well as a small leather good. So let's do the makeup first really quick. I will be quick because I'm sure you're all here to see the small leather good and hear the advice on shopping on the Hermes website. I will say the makeup items I actually purchased from Saks Fifth Avenue because I had a 10% off coupon code for beauty, and the Hermes beauty items are expensive enough that the 10% off does actually make a difference. The first item I got was a lipstick. This is the satin lipstick in color 21. I already own one Hermes lipstick, but the lipstick I own, I wasn't that impressed with, but I bought it in a beige color. I don't typically wear beige lipstick. I have no idea why I purchased it in that color, but I decided to get this color, try it out, see if I like it a little bit better, because this is, as you can tell, much closer to the color that I typically wear on my lips. So this was the first thing I purchased. Full price, I believe this is currently $67. So that's the first item I got. The second beauty item I got, this is a new to me product. This is the Hermes Plain Air Healthy Glow Mineral Powder. In case you can't tell, I'm pretty pale, so anything that promises to give me a healthy glow, I'm all in. This was quite expensive. It was $105, but it is quite a lot of product you get. I have not tried this product yet, but I wanted to get it because I have the Hermes blush. I'm actually wearing the blush right now, and I've been really impressed with the blush, even though, yes, of course, these items are very overpriced for what they are. The blush is really pigmented, a little bit goes a long way, and it lasts all day. I put it on and it stays, so I've been really happy with the blush. So I thought I would try out their mineral powder as well. Those are the two makeup items I got. Now let me clean this up and we'll take a look at the small leather good. Here we are with the small leather good, and this I did purchase off of the Hermes website, and it was shipped to my house. Here's the very nice Hermes box that they ship it in. And my receipt is in here. I will tell you the price I paid for this item. Let's see, this was $365. I bought this item because I was interested in the particular item, and when I saw it pop up on the Hermes website in this colorway, I really wanted it. This is a popular Hermes color. So let's open it up. Put the ribbon in here, and I bought the Calvi card holder, and this is in the beautiful pink rose azalea. Let's put this down and we'll take a look. If you're into Hermes or luxury at all, I'm sure you've probably seen this Calvi. It's just a really simple card holder. It's a single piece of leather cut, and there's a snap on the inside and a hot stamp that says Hermes Paris, made in France. I saw this on the Hermes website and scooped it up right away. Let me share a few tips with you that I've learned over the years as an online shopper. Online shopping can be really great for Hermes if you're not on a journey looking for a quota bag, but you have to know when to look and how to check out on the website to be successful. So for the US, I live in New Jersey. Hermes uploads new items to their website every day at 11 a.m. So that's 11 a.m. New York Eastern Time Zone. If you're looking for a handbag or a small leather good, go on at 11 a.m. That's when I bought this Calvi card holder. You may need to refresh the website a couple times to see all the items pop up. But yes, typically at or around 11 a.m., you will find new items on the website. I just went on at 11 o'clock this morning. There were Evelyn's on the website, Picotins, and her bags, which are all very popular bags. So you can get those bags on the website. Not every color and every style is uploaded every day, but keep checking and you will see these items. Also popular small leather goods like the Calvi and the Bastia coin purse are online. I've also seen the Kelly and Constance to-go wallets on the website. So yes, these items are there, but you have to go on when they're uploaded. There are allegedly bots set up to buy items on the Hermes website when they're uploaded, and the bots are quicker than people. So typically a lot of these things will sell out really quickly. So make sure you're already logged on to your Hermes account when you're on the website. So make sure you have an account, you're logged in. Also, number 2, make sure you have your payment information already saved so you don't need to manually enter it in, or make sure that you use your Apple Pay and that's already set up for when you check out. And another tip that I think is super, super important, before you even go on the website, sit down and make a list of what you actually want. What are the items you actually want, in what size, what color, what material, if it's a leather good. Know exactly what you want. So when you go on the website, wait for that item. Don't go on the website and be tempted by something that's maybe close enough but not exactly what you want, and then you feel like you have a pressure to go check out and then you buy something you don't want. So number 1, sit down, make a list, know what you want. Number 2, go to the website, log in, have your account set up, save your payment information. And then number 3, check the website at 11 a.m., refresh, make sure you see all those items pop up. And when you see an item you want in the color, the size, the material that you want, just check out right away. You can get items that way. So if you're not interested in that Hermes journey, this is a great way to get items. However, I do also need to make the disclaimer that if you think maybe one day you might want to go on an Hermes journey for a quota bag, be aware that any of your online purchases, even though they're on your profile, I've heard the online purchases will not count towards your pre-spend for a quota bag. I do need to give credit to Haya Glamazon for giving me that information. If you haven't already checked out her channel, I will have it linked below. She gives a lot of great shopping tips for Hermes, as well as just all luxury shopping. So definitely go check out her channel. She's the one who tipped me in to that piece of information. If you have any online shopping tips for Hermes, please do comment below and share those with us so we can all learn from each other. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button before you go, and don't forget to come back every Wednesday and Friday for new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye now.